How to update all apps at once on your mobile. A quick guide. Hello friends. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to update all your apps at once on your mobile device using the Google Play Store. Let's get started. Steps to update apps on Play Store. Open the Google Play Store. Launch the Play Store app on your mobile device. Go to your profile. Tap on your profile icon located in the top right corner of the screen. Open Manage Apps and Device. Select the Manage Apps and Device option from the drop-down menu. Check for updates. Under the Updates Available section, you'll see a list of apps that need to be updated. If an update is available, it will be displayed here. Update all apps. Tap on the Update All button to update all apps simultaneously. If you prefer, you can update individual apps by clicking the Update button next to each app. Wait for updates to complete. The apps will start updating one by one. Ensure you're connected to Wi-Fi or have sufficient mobile data and storage space for the updates. Why keep apps updated? Updating your apps ensures better performance, new features, bug fixes, and enhanced security. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more easy tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. Hey hey.